Today we are going to learn how we can use the switch case, right? So firstly,
Okay, sir.
the switch case, it is an alternative of different conditions of if. Just see there. Here we are going to use that switch case. So first we just use the HTML tag as you know very well. Is it visible to you? Screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir. Screen is a
Okay, that's good. Just type your HTML doc HTML doc type doc type HTML and close this and just type HTML and close this tag HTML and write some title here, title and switch case, switch case and close this. Right. And here we start with the coding. So just type here switch case. So firstly we have to use a script tag. You can go with the script and close this script because it is the part of JavaScript. That's why we use here the script tag. Okay, and we write the JavaScript coding within this tag. First, just use the variable a, right? And use your enter your
yes, sir.
number. Enter parts int and use your enter your password prompt. Enter your password, right? And just close this like this. And after that, we use your switch. Just type a variable b and or directly you can use switch case. Just type your switch, right? And use your the case name is a. Switch case is a. Here, switch case is a.
Yes,
And
sir.
after that, use here the different condition. Switch is a and just use this particular conditions within this box. You uses this case, right? And if the case is 1 to 1, what will show? Just use here, just type here document dot write Alan, your father name is Mr. Arun Kumar, right? And close this tag and again use your break tag. Why we use break? After finding of this case, right? It will show the detailing
Yes, sir.
details right here and it will stop the coding and will break the continuation of this coding because we use here break. If it will find it, it will break here, right? And it will not check the second case. So here we just type here case 131. This is the second case. And right here again, document dot write Alan and use here your father name is Mr. Tarun Kumar. Right? You can also enter the or type some detail, other detail as well, except his father. You can write additionally more than one statement within this case. And again, just use your break, and here we just
Okay,
use
sir.
the last case, that is case 141. And last one, we use your document dot write Alan and use here your father name is Mr. Sanjay Kumar. Just type here Sanjeev Kumar and close this and use here and use break. And if our computer will not be find out these cases, then it will show the default. Okay, if you haven't entered these particular cases, then it will show the default case as you just type here document dot write Alan, you are not the right candidate. and use semicolon, again use your break, right? And close the switch here. Understood? You can write here this
Yes,
particular
sir.
within the bracket, you can go with that and just save this. Just save it and move on the resulting screen. Just click on here and just go with the screen and press F5 to see there. Let's check. There is no available. So move on here. Again, click on this coding and we have to save this file. Just click on this, save as kahani.html, right? And click on this and just open it. And let's check the coding here. We have to use here the head tag because title tags always run within the head tag. So just type the head tag because without head tag we can't use the title tag, right? Because it
Okay,
will
sir.
always run within the head tag. So we have to write here head tag and we have to close here after this script the head tag like this, right? And just save this and just move on the result. You will get the result on the screen. Just press F5, right? See the title is showing here switch case, right? But coding is not running. So just again, just check the errors within the coding. Just see the switch case, switch by bars int prompt, right? And just use it directly A and try to save that. And let's go with that. Here the pop-up is not allowing here, so we have to open this particular file.
Okay, sir.
G and open with the next word. Allow the block content and launch it. Let's go with the screen. Here our switch case, just use the bracket here again and with this and just save this. Let's check the result. Coding is not visible, so just move on the coding screen and again just check the errors here. Case 121 switch case, right? Variable parse int prompt, enter your password, right? Script. We just close here. Okay, here we use a two bracket. We have to use only a single bracket because here we open only the single bracket. So just save it and let's find out the result. And press F5. Just see there, a box is coming here, right? And just type the
Yes, sir.
121 and you will get the result here. Just see there. Your father name is Mr. Arun, right? And just move on again
Yes,
to
sir.
the coding screen. Just move on this coding screen. Just click on here and write some other detail as well. You can just put some other values here as well. Just see there. Firstly, you just give the title for the stream. You use your H1 tag and write here, this is my switch case program. Switch case program and close the H1 tag and align the center. And last, just closes the center tag here, right? And you see there. Here we add some properties as well. The document dot bg color and equal to green. And use semicolon and again go with that and just type here again document dot bg color and equal to yellow and go with that here again document dot bg color and red, and last one
Yes, sir.
document dot bg color orange. So here we have the assigned values. Let's save it and let's check the result. Just save it and move on the screen. Just see there. Just press F5 and just type the code 141 and press enter. Just see there. Coming with the red background. Again, just press F5 and type here 121. You will get the green screen. And again, press F5. You just type here 131. You will get the enter screen. Right. And when you press again 123, it will show an error like this. Right. It is showing the what condition? Default condition. You are not the right category. Right. So firstly, just check the coding and
Uh,
analyze this particular program by using this coding the serial. In this coding, here we start the script function, script coding, and here we write a variable that is name is a, and we call a particular value by the user the serial. Parts int prompt provide a box by which this program get the value. Okay, whatever you value entered in this particular box, it becomes the
yes,
value of
sir.
a, right? And we analyze the value of a by following this, right? So here we use your switch, make the a as a switch. Okay, we take a as a switch, a variable as a switch. That's why we write here switch, and within bracket we just use a. Okay, so it work as a switch. If the switch value, this value match with this case, this value is matched with this case, it will run this particular two statement, right? If it will find out it will match with that, this coding will be breakdown by using this break tag, right?
Yes,
It
sir.
will not go
Yes.
with the go on the another case. And if it will not find out this particular case, then it will move on the this case and check third case. And if it will not find all three ones, then will show the default case, right? That's why we get the last condition. Whenever we just type any number, you will get the this statement in the form of result, right? And here we close the switch because we want to just close the bracket of this because we want to just restrict this particular switch case from this particular coding. That's why we use here these two tags, right? And here we close the script coding and just write the add tag and close the HTML. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can ask for the student name as well, and you can also show the name of the student, and you can go with the same coding with the name of particular student. In that condition, we have to use your what? We have to use here like this. So see here, we just type variable b and is equal to just type here prompt and use your enter your name, right? Enter your name like this and try to work
Yes.
with the name. Okay, so just type here, just remove this particular line from here and we go with the switch b, and again we just place the value of replace the value of a with the b, and here the name will be what? Just type, if we type here Amit, it will show the detail of this. Okay, when we just type the value in this box Amit, and it will show this particular statement, and again go with that and just type here Sonu, it will show like that. And if you use here Mono, will do the same process with that. And if all threes will not be matched with that, then will show the default, right? Just save this and let's check the result. Just press F5 and just type the name. Sonu. What happened? Will show the father name is Mr. Tarun. Again, just use here. Just type Monu. You will get the father of Monu. Right? Again, F5 and just type any name. Ashish. See there, you are not the right category. Okay, so here we have just make the switch as a string, Understood? Similarly,
Okay, sir.
work with the character. Then you have to use here not the name. You have to use here the grade. Just type here grade code or just type here grade. Right?
Okay, sir.
Type here grade. You can okay go with that and use here the same variable but when we use a character, we have to use a single character, right? So users type here, enter the grade in the form of one character, right? And whenever we just use the character, we have to use your single import, not the double import. Double imports for the multiple letters. We use here just like A. If the A will match with that B value, then we will show this. And again use here for the B. And if we use here F, we use here F like this, right? So when the code match with this case, it will show with this result, right? Just go with that. Again, just
Yes, sir.
and move with the result. And press F5 and just type here A. What happened? It will show the A condition, A case, right? And press F5 again and just type here D. It will show the second. And just press F5. Just type here F. It will show the another one. And if you just press F5 again and just type P, it will show the default value. Okay. So today we have learned the switch case
Okay,
used
sir.
with the different types of variable. First one with the integer, second one with the string, and third one with the what? Character. Right here?